Hello everyone. I'm gonna be working on a saggy interior for the BMW. This is the M3. This right here, we're gonna get rid of it. I guess this is the common thing for the BMWs. Now you can buy the actual material. We went to the store. It's about $25-30 a yard for the factory one, or you could go with the generic one for maybe 10 bucks a yard. But anyway, I'm gonna replace it. I guess, look, it's literally just coming off. So first, let's remove the handles and the visors and things like that. So let's get it going. I'm just gonna have to unclip those plastic and remove 2 screws on each side. There's one more right over here. And then on this, you just need to pull it out just like that. It'll come off. All right, for the handle, there's a cover on it. It's very brittle because of the sun throughout the years. We're gonna have to find a way to mount this, guys. So the cover is right over there. Pull it towards straight. You don't pry it out, just pull it straight. As you can see, I was able to take it out, but these things are so old, it's just brittle right over here. See? All right, so on the rear, I kind of just opened the panels right here on both sides. And there's a lip over here. You're just gonna have to take it out from here. Unclip this clip right here a little bit and just wiggle it out from the corner. Be careful not to make any crease. And then you do it on the side as well. Same on this side. And look at this sagginess. Anyway, take everything out. So we're gonna try to go out on the passenger side. Make sure you don't break anything or crease anything. Slowly, just be patient. This is a 2-man job or 1-man, whichever, but it takes a long time for one person to do it. Here it is. Just take things out. Very easy to peel it out now because it's already coming off anyway. These are the spot that I actually glued on right there at some point. Get one of these or one of those brushes and then just brush it out. Make sure you brush everything out. If you don't, what happened is, if you don't take out the old one, what happened is it's gonna sag again in time. So make sure this thing is really clean, really clear like this. There's nothing on it, so the glue will bond to it correctly. You know what I mean? All right, so I'm done cleaning up all the foams. Just use one of these. We just scrape all the rest of the foam. Make sure that's clean. I'm gonna sunbathe it for a little bit to heat up for the glue. This is what I'm gonna be using, high temp headliner adhesive. It's always good to use high temp because when it hits up inside your car, it doesn't sag. This one, just be generous with the glue. Make sure you wait a few minutes before you come back. That way, you know, they have a good pack on them. Kind of wait it to dry a little bit, a few minutes, 5 minutes or so, and then put them together. All right, so this is gonna be a 2-man job, I think, because when you lay this thing down, you need someone to hold it and kind of just like run it with the roller, run it with your hand, push it down when the glue dries up. And then we're gonna do a cut later on. So we are almost done. I'm halfway done, and then let's do the other half. All right, so I'm done spraying this, just waiting for it to a little bit dry out. I did the other side as well, and then we're gonna mat it together. This is gonna be the hardest part, I think, this groove's right over here. So I'm gonna put it on now. Let's keep it up. All right, so it's laid on the panel now, and I'm ready to cut around it with my trusty scissor. So far, it looks good. All right, so what I did, I cut from the top, I flipped it over, and then just cut everything on the edges. All right, so to put it in, go to the driver's side and then just kind of lower all the seats down and lower the window. And then put this first and then just kind of, you know, work your way around. So you can see, can you get the wires, please? Those are the wires for the camera, if you guys are wondering. Just put back all the screws. On the edge, make sure that you hang it. This thing hangs on the lip of the back. Hold on the road there. Make sure all the plugs are hanging before you close everything up. You don't need to unplug this, but just kind of loop it in there. All right, everything is put back in. It looks pretty decent, pretty good for a couple hours of work. All the pins are on, all the panels. Everything is on. Just the reverse process, what you taken out. Make sure you plug everything over here. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps you how to recover your saggy roof. God bless everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you can, and please subscribe to help me on my channel, and I'll catch you on my next video. Take care everyone. God bless. Bye.